How to fix BeReal notification not working. To fix BeReal notification not working, first ensure your device and the app settings are correctly configured. So open up settings on your device, locate apps from the list, go to BeReal from the list, tap on notification and make sure that the notification button is toggled on. This way you can ensure or you can fix notification issue with the BeReal as well. Next, open the BeReal app onto your device. Tap the notification or bell icon at the very top right. Here you will be able to see all these notifications. But if you cannot get the notification in the home page, go to the profile once again, tap the gear icon. There you want to go to notification, and this is where you can go ahead and customize according to your preferences as well. If nothing works out, you could simply restart your device. Sometimes sometimes a simple restart can fix your temporary glitch as well. And make sure that you've not enabled do not disturb, as sometimes if you've enabled DND or do not disturb, then this is also one of the reasons why you're not able to see or receive notification for any of the other applications. So that's how you're supposed to fix notifications for BeReal. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.